the action, wasn't it?
Dave, how are we all holding up out here?
Pretty good. I don't think your body's meant to do this for days on end, but I haven't seen too many people vomiting. Maybe the guy behind the camera's had a little sneaky one, but I'm not too sure.
We could have as much as 8 hours on this tack. We're just sailing into the last of it. The sea state's not going to improve for a little while, then we tack and head north. The breeze goes right, and then we have to pick a gap through the Luzon Strait. We go north to get east, and we go east to get south, but